Hey, what's good, guys? Today I'm going to be dominating with KALIYAH Kit. Haven't posted in 2 days, so I'm just gonna post a vid today. And I got gold rank on this account. I didn't record anything, and I will record on my other account 1,500 wins as well. So let's get started in the vid. Okay, guys, just loaded in. This used to be a Skywars map, I think. And my 3 teammates are trio queuing, I think. I know this guy's trying to feed him iron, bro. Come on, I know you're trying to. Okay, I'm using a different account. This is my old account because I was too lazy to switch to my main. This might be a KALIYAH also. Yeah, it was. Why do I only do 6 damage? My KALIYAH punch. I'm gonna jump down on this guy. There we go. Got him. Okay, I was about to say. Collect 2 M's for Obi. So we got Obi, guys. Got Obi. We got Obi. We have to, I'm gonna play 3 matches. We have to at least win 1. Okay, now he did 6 damage, I did 24. We have to at least win 1 match out of the 3 I'm playing today. I like jugging gameplay. Best ego hot. Oh my god, bro. He literally just... Bro, this guy, bro. This guy's weird. Okay, I would be tempted to cycle diamonds, but my team got that. Eat the shield mushroom and continue on my way. I need to protect. Okay, nice. I died, but my beekeeper got him. Bro, that's stupid. I need more iron, bro. Come on. I'm gonna go up this guy's beehive thingy. Some free iron. It was only 6. Alright, we have to keep jugging, come on. I need like a lot of kills, bro. For a jugging video, you know, Warren jugging video. Need like a lot of kills. No way, that guy's 1v2ing my team. And I'm going for orange team. Okay, never mind. Yo, chill. I'm sorry, gang. Yo, he just like 3-tapped me. Just mining ores. Okay, I'm gonna buy iron sword, 1 set of blocks, and we will go out. It's me and there's 2 other blue team guys. Like this guy. You do not want to PvP me, boy. Cooked. Holy flawless. Oh, that is Marcel. Never mind. I thought it was a clear. Yo, Fortuna would be a great kit. I haven't used Fortuna in a long time. Got him. Yo, what the double punch? Holy double punch. I punched him, then he punched me, bro. Steve's. Oh. Bro, did my teammate just really try spleefing me, bro? Or was that already a hole? We need 10 kills. Sure. 10 kills. Okay, I'm not fighting that. I need iron armor, at least, to fight that. I'm cooked. escape real quick. Never mind, bro. I'm not escaping anything. And this area is just too OP. Hey, at least team is splitting, I think. Or they're just not stepping each other. More iron from my man's beehive. Oh, spawned to M. Nice. I'm gonna save it for iron armor. And just put this in the chest. Still have 4 kills. I need 6 more to at least complete my goal. My teammate got a blue team bed. Nice. Need to dodge the gompy thingies. You're not, bro. My teammate just stole my kill. Seriously, bro. Trying to go for the 10 kill, bro. Chill. Yeah, this gets cooked. Oh my, he has blocks, bro. Holy. Oh my god. He missed his gompy, and I punch him. He's gonna high advantage me. Watch this. Just gonna run a little bit. I need to give him less room to like jump. And he doesn't even know someone's sneaking up on him. Oh, what the? Bro, he has diamond armor and 14 kills. Low-key, we cooked. I'm gonna just steal stuff from my guys. Beehive again. And save up for, just camp for iron armor. We got iron armor. Now I can do some like real PvPs. I don't want ores, teammate. And my team is not cycling at all. We need 10 kills, bro. 6 more kills, come on. Bro. This guy's so low. Alright, so if this guy just starts spawn killing us, oh yeah. Okay, oh, okay, he pro'd. Yo, why is my no armor beekeeper trying to ego this area, bro? Maybe he's no armor. I don't know. 6 more kills. Oh. Get punched, boy. Eliminated out of the game. And I got 1 more kill. What the? Yo, what just happened? Piggy team, okay, whatever, it's fine. Hopefully I get some M's out of it so I can buy diamond armor. To our goal. Oh my god, we're tier 1 finally. Alright, we have like 144 blocks. 5 more kills to go. Steal some more stuff from here. The Rams still diamond armor. Yo, bad, bro. Bad. Okay, alright. Blind team, I guess. Holy blind team. Holy blind team. Oh my god. We did not meet our goal, bro. And they did the beehive. Come on, bro. Don't do that to the beehive, man. Oh my god. I just got 2 kills, which brings my total to 7 kills. And I got a bunch of loot. Oh my god, man. Please don't kill me. Please stop. Stop. Please stop. No! Oh my god, bro. 7 kills. And I'm not waiting for my team to win this. They're not winning this. Okay, guys, just loaded into the second match. Teammates are using Void Knight, Crystal, and Skull. And no one else in the lobby is using KALIYAH. Still trying to win a match and get 10 kills. Stun sword blocks. Head to mid. You're not sniping me from halfway across the map. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Okay, alright. I just walked into that. It's fine. It's all good. Bro, why are my teammates not coming, bro? It's actually annoying. And I just got flopped. Alright. Just cut that out. Oh, anti-cheat. At least I got some iron from that. Camp until letter armor. Please do it. Okay, we got 1 kill. No! They just got anti-cheat. Oh, yes! I gotta get. No, did that. Bro, that Jack. You're gonna mind ours. Yo, why is there 2 people here, bro? Yes, I got one. That's my kill. Yeah, he's a Jack. Oh my god, bro. Jack is so annoying. I got you, team. Yeah, boy. Where are you now? Boy? Where are you now? Alright. Kind of overreacted on that. Oh my god, our Jack Sophia combo also, man. That was a free kill. Oh, my team is right here. Nice. No blocks, though. I don't want to get shot down by Sophia. Okay, that's... Oh, no? Oh my god, bro, please. I can't even... Yeah, you're not beating me in a PvP, buddy. No, bro, teammate. Yo, what is that bed defense, bro? Blocking chat. Blocking. Level like 1,000, like 500. Okay, no, 1,000. What am I saying? Blocking. Nice! I got bed. I just got bed. Yes! That's the kill! That's the kill! Oh my god, he just clinged onto the side. Oh, he's gonna try saving him. Please. Can I have the kill, please? And I got the kill. 10 kills, boy. Now I just have to win. And a bunch of blocks. Oh, okay, I got him down. Oh, I got him. Last guy at his base over there. Let's go. I'm gonna go with my boy Void Knight. Oh yeah, we won. Alright, that's GG's. 10 kills and won the game. That's gonna be it for today's video. Probably gonna post a better video tomorrow. Yeah. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, peace.